How to write a report. A comprehensive guide to academic and professional reporting. Step 1. Selecting a topic. Brainstorm topics of personal and academic interest. Conduct a preliminary review of 1 to 2 research papers for each topic. Identify gaps and practicality to narrow down to a single topic. Step 2. Finding a research gap. Review additional research papers for deeper insights. Identify unanswered questions or inadequately addressed areas. Focus on a specific, feasible, and incremental research question. Step 3. Choosing a catchy title. Ensure the title is concise, descriptive, and engaging. Use brainstorming or AI tools for creative ideas. Reflect the focus and scope of your project. Step 4. Planning methodology and timeline. Create a realistic timeline with phases like research, data collection, and writing. Detail your methodology, specifying data collection tools and resources. Anticipate potential challenges and plan solutions. Step 5. Conducting preliminary work. Begin data collection and analysis using available resources. Organize initial results and observations for clarity. Ensure proper documentation of tools, steps, and findings. Step 6. Writing the literature review. Review 3 to 4 key papers directly relevant to your research question. Organize findings into themes, e.g., foundational research, advancements, gaps. Identify a research gap and articulate how your project addresses it. Step 7. Presenting results. Organize data using tables, graphs, or charts with clear labels. Provide concise explanations focusing on trends and significant findings. Ensure the section is objective and free from interpretation. Step 8. Discussing findings. Interpret results and compare them to existing research. Highlight practical applications, implications, and theoretical contributions. Discuss limitations and suggest improvements or future directions. Step 9. Writing the conclusion. Summarize key findings and link them to research objectives. Reflect on the significance and contribution of your work. Provide actionable suggestions for future research. Step 10. Abstract and keywords. Summarize the purpose, methodology, findings, and implications in 150 to 250 words. Ensure clarity and conciseness to make an impactful first impression. List relevant keywords for better indexing. Step 11. Final checklist. Title. Ensure clarity and relevance. Abstract. Refined and summarizes key aspects of the research. Literature review balanced, cohesive, and highlights research gaps. Methodology. Detailed and realistic. Formatting. Consistent and aligns with guidelines. Feedback. Seek reviews to refine your work.